Hey there everyone, and welcome to my channel Bead. Today's video will be a little different from my usual DIY jewelry content since I will be unboxing a new webcam. BenQ sent me their latest webcamera on the market called ideaCam S1 Pro, and I can't wait to test out all the features it has to offer. The BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro is an intelligent conference camera with 4 modes of view such as portrait mode, document or desk view mode, handheld mode, and macro mode. The 8-megapixel Sony sensor delivers a remarkable 2440p resolution at 30 frames per second that rivals 4K level footage. Additional features include auto exposure, autofocus, noise-canceling microphone, object light ring, and 15 times magnification zoom lens. The BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro is more than just a webcam. It's a multifunctional tool designed to enhance your content creation, online meetings, and product presentations. So let's dive right in and unbox this new little gadget. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and professional. It already sets a tone for high quality product. Inside the box, we have the user manual quick start guide, the Inspire Control Puck remote controller, some AAA batteries, the USB receiver, the webcam mount, the webcamera itself, the webcam cover, and the magnification lens. So now that we're done unboxing this webcam, let's go take a look at what it has to offer. Let's begin by unfolding the Quick Start Guide user manual. In the first section, you will see images of the webcam and all its accessories. Ensure that you have all required components. Please note that the 15 times zoom lens and the controller puck are optional features. BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro is sold separately or as a bundle with the controller puck and the magnification lens. Now let's begin setting up the ideaCam. Grab the camera mount and the webcam. Make sure to remove the plastic protective film covering the camera prior to installation and use. For demonstration purposes, we will be setting up the BenQ ideaCam on my laptop. Use in portrait mode for conference meetings or flip the camera down on a 90-degree angle to activate the auto-rotating desk mode. Another option is that you can attach this webcam to a tripod. The webcam mount has the proper attachment so it can be mounted on tripods, C-stands, and light rings. In this case, we are going to secure the camera mount to a light ring and then add the webcam. Flip the camera on a 90-degree angle. This option allows you to film overhead content for your social media channels. The light ring is set at 5600 kelvins to replicate daylight, since the BenQ ideaCam favors well-lit environments. Now that we have the camera set up, we can go ahead and log into the Inspire for ideaCam. The online version of the software works on Chrome browsers, so for Mac you will need to download the offline version of the app. To log in, create an account or continue with Google. A pop-up will appear and you will need to allow access to your camera and microphone. Now you can select to use it for recording or photographs, but you also have the option to use it as a document scanner or a QR scanner. To the left, there is a pen icon. This gives you the option to write notes. Want to record it? Take a snapshot. Done with it? Just erase it. The lower left panel has further settings available. Here, you can zoom in and out. Rotate your image depending on the type of content you are producing, and you have the option to vertical flip or horizontally flip your image. Before you start using your webcam, make sure that the source settings are correct. Select BenQ ideaCam for your camera and microphone source settings. Under Image Settings, you also have the option to change the image resolution. Recommended resolution is 3264 by 1836. In this section, you can also add some cool filters to your footage. Before we can use the Inspire controller puck for our webcam, we have to make sure to add the AAA batteries and connect the USB receiver to our laptop. Remove the back cover of the puck and add the batteries. Now it is ready to use. Now we can use this puck to control our webcam, to zoom in and out, to freeze frame, or to take an image. Now let's take a look at some sample footage. Additionally, the dynamic handheld mode provides flexibility. Whether you're demonstrating products, giving a tour, or vlogging, this mode adapts to all your needs. One standout feature that I absolutely love is the macro lens. It's something I've never seen on a webcam before. This is the most useful part in this camera when it comes to DIY jewelry creation, since it can capture intricate tiny details. To utilize this feature, add the magnification lens to your webcam. Be sure to remove the plastic film off the lens prior to attaching it to your camera. Now you are ready to take some macro shots. Turn on your rim light when using macro mode to get an extra crisp image. Let's try it out on this tiny charm. Just look at all that detail you can see now. So if you are looking for an affordable webcam that can help you in your content creation, the BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro is an excellent choice since it's budget-friendly without compromising on quality. I hope you found this unboxing and review helpful. If you did, please give a video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you want more information about the BenQ ideaCam, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.